What's up, guys? So, hey, I just want to make this quick video for my good friend and coach, Nico Moreno. I've only given two testimonials to two different companies. One's Client Kit and one is him. Because of him using ManyChat with a webinar, I was able to get 27x ROI. I spent $300 on ads and I made almost $12,000 in sales in fitness. So if you're in business, it's even going to be higher because the price will probably be triple, right? So yeah. With that said, I just wanted to highly recommend him. I'm always happy to do videos for him because his course is like $9.97 or something, and I'm gonna probably become a millionaire just from implementing his course. So if you need help with ManyChat, if you need help with messaging, hire Nico. He knows what he's doing. He can get the ROI back, and it's a game changer, guys. If I was not using ManyChat and didn't learn how to use it from Nico, I wouldn't be spending $300 on ads and making 12 grand. So easier said than done, but he's the man. So hire him, pay him. Talk to you soon.